We see ourselves not just as a service provider, but as a long-term partner in our clients' transformation journeys. On ESG, we're helping businesses embed sustainability into their operations through supply chain audits, climate risk assessments, and sustainability assurance. As regulations evolve, we provide the frameworks and expertise to help clients stay ahead of compliance requirements, both locally and globally. We also focus on building capabilities, offering training, digital tools, and advisory support to empower our clients. Our regional teams are empowered to co-create solutions with clients, ensuring cultural and operational alignment. Ultimately, our goal is to support Southeast Asian businesses as they scale, diversify, and compete on the global stage with confidence and resilience.